Hi, I'm the owner of a luxury salon, and I want to show you the exact system that helped us stop losing appointments. Welcome to SmartTimely, your all-in-one appointment booking CRM. This is your dashboard. Clean, simple, and powerful. From here you can manage everything: client appointments, contact info, and reminders. Your clients are organized under the Customers tab. You'll see client history and appointments. Let's see how a customer books an appointment. They click a link, choose a location, staff, and then service. Pick a time and boom, done in 60 seconds. No calls, no back and forth, and yes, it works beautifully on mobile too. Let me walk you through the full setup. Head over to smarttimely.com, click Get Started, and sign up. Enter the required details. It takes under 2 minutes. You'll land right into your trial account. No credit card needed. Next, go to Location and add the address information of your business. Let's add the image of location as well. This will appear in your booking widget. Keep the image size less than 100 KB for best performance. Now let's add your staff. Just head to Staff, invite your team by email, and assign their working hours. The system takes care of the rest, even prevents overbooking. Next, go to Services and add one category, then every service you offer. Classic facial, facials, manicures, whatever your salon provides. You can set the duration, pricing, and even assign specific team members to each service. In order to save time, I quickly added these services the same way. Don't forget to add images for each service to make your booking page pop. Just make sure image sizes are under 50 KB to keep it fast. One of my favorite features? Workflows. That lets you set up automated reminders and even connect with other CRMs. Let's view the design of booking widget. Go to Appearance to pick a ready-made widget or easily customize it with your salon's colors and branding. In my case, I'm disabling cart, confirmation page, and service extras. I don't need those. SmartTimely also supports various payment integrations. Pro tip: connect your Google Calendar right here. Why? Now, appointments sync straight into your calendar and your customer's calendar. No more missed bookings. This is a must-do step. If you're ready to grow your salon, save hours weekly, and impress your clients, head over to smarttimely.com and claim your free account today. Start booking smarter now.